Alright guys, you get this video while I have a few minutes of a voice here to just explain a problem or two. Since this is technically new, but I think you guys will be able to figure it out pretty quickly. So these are two-way tables. You guys are going to have two different types assigned: interpreting the two-way tables and probability from two-way tables. The first one is basically more or less reading the table and explaining the data. So like in this instance, it's about 7th and 8th graders on social media. So it says how many 8th graders were surveyed. So you can look at the 8th grader row and go to total and find that it's 38. Let's see if we can get another one that's a little different. How many students who spend less than 4 hours a week, so we know we're looking at this top row, reported a grade above 80, so we would say less than 4 hours, and then go to the above column and see that it's 9. So that's the first kind. That one I think you guys will pick up on right away. The next one's very similar. You just have to turn it into a probability, kind of like what we were doing like a week or so ago. Says in a class of students, the following data table summarizes how many students have a brother or sister. What is the probability that a student chosen randomly from the class has a sibling? So has a sister, has a brother. Looks like there's 4 that have a brother but no sister, 15 that have a sister but no brother, and then 2 that have both. So you're basically not including the 7. So you'd add those 3 up. So 6 and 15, 21 out of 28, and you could just reduce down your fraction, divide both by 7, 3/4. So you're just going to put it in as a probability. That's kind of the idea. Another one was the probability that a student chosen randomly from this class has a dog. So there's 6 and another 7 that has a dog. We don't really care in the question about if they have a cat or not. So we'd say 13 out of a total 16, 27. So 13 out of 27. So you're just going to put in probabilities down there. If you guys have questions, feel free to let me know. Hopefully I'll be back on Tuesday, but I think you guys will be pretty good here. All right, good luck.